Hello guys, welcome to this video. As I mentioned earlier, what I'll be doing on these videos, I'll be doing a bit of like cash giveaways, not so much money, just like 100 rands or going down. It will fluctuate accordingly to how my budget is. But for starters, we'll start with 100 rands. And somewhere on the video, I'll just put a code to say giveaway as text somewhere, then you use that code to enter the contest. Then yeah, and you just have to like and comment and subscribe. Then enter that code on. There's a link in the bio as well, in the description, not bio. Then you just also have to go through that, enter the specific test you saw, and you're in. Let's see. Thank you, and let's go ahead with the video, guys. Today's video, it's just showcasing the Meta Quest 3S. I bought it like 3 or 4 months ago. I'm not entirely sure, but it's been a while since I had it. I wanted to do a bit of a review, a hands-on review, but never really felt like I had enough content or did do like enough stuff with it to just show. But for now, I just felt like, well, let me just do it and just wing it and see how it goes. So it's quite a cool gadget, honestly. Allows me to too much, even though it's been a while since I actually used it. I think the problem is, you see, I think it also falls with VR, the novelty of something. So you buy it and think, wow, I'm gonna use this for like everything I do, for coding, for watching movies, for everything I want to do, for watching videos. Basically, I'm gonna live in this. But after a bit of a while, you step away from that, and now it's just you leave it sitting there for like a few weeks. But as soon as you get back on it, it's beautiful, man. Because for example, this is one game that I was playing using it, and it works exceptionally. It feels like it's just the future, man. You feel like you're immersed in something, and the longer you are in the headset, the more real it does feel as well. And when you step back into reality feels limited. And that's one of the things. It's quite brilliant technology, and it's wonderful. If only everyone had this, it would be much, much, much more fun. Now it makes you feel like you are Iron Man, if I could say. But I also, just one of the things that I want to do, I'm not sure if I'll ever get to doing it, is I would like to also, just because I used to dev game, it's been a while since I actually dev one to full completion or full functionality. I would like to just build like small micro games within it as well for I to play, even if it's not a game, to be precise, even if it's just like something that I interact with, a bot, an AI chat bot, then it speaks out as like as a real friend in the VR. I think that would be pretty cool. But yeah, I think I'm losing what I wanted to do. So what I wanted to do with this video was just to showcase some of the stuff that I did in VR. And another thing as well is I play this game, and it does feel a little bit like motion sickness, if I could say. So quite cool stuff to work with, quite nice to play as well, because it does actually feel like you are in bed. As much as the games, the graphics and everything might not align with reality, but your senses does get calibrated to think, okay, this is fine, okay, this is real, this is what I interact with. And just to do it, it depends on the kind of game you're playing or the kind of thing you're doing. So if it's a game that has quite a huge budget, then definitely you get fully immersed, and the graphics might not obviously be aligned with reality, but they might be a bit, not bad obviously, but they might be better than the other games that's there. So most games, could be just fixated on the virtual reality part and not built up onto what it could be. So there could be more, but just because it's a VR headset, they just limit it to that very feature of virtual reality. But other than gaming, it does way more. So you could connect it to your MacBook or PC and use it as a remote desktop, and that allows you to basically put, I think the maximum I've had like displays were like 6, so you could put 6 displays that are connected to your MacBook. Have this your fingers use as a mouse, the very same like controlling gestures you have on the VR headset itself can also just blend into the computer, or you could just use your mouse or and your keyboard and any other thing, and you have like a lot of displays, and it's quite brilliant. I haven't yet used it in like prolonged actual work stuff, but I think this could actually work quite brilliantly, especially if, let's say, I'm not at home, um, somewhere else, but I do need like multiple displays. I think this works perfectly. And in terms of the view, you could read text properly as well. Then it's quite good. And also, some people have complained about it not being comfortable, but I do feel like I haven't encountered any of these issues yet. Maybe that being I haven't used it for prolonged hours. I'll just use it for like 1 or 2 hours, then I'll just stop. But probably I should try a video where I fully immerse myself and use it for maybe 6 hours. I wonder if that will be any good to my eyes, but just all in what it's a big sacrifice. But yeah, so yeah, so it's quite cool. Like as you can see now, I'm connected to my um MacBook Pro, and I just have one display because I didn't really think about just putting multiples, and now I have more open. Future of coding, baby. AI, VR. Then another thing is that I'm just opening like multiple instances of Mora apps, just to see. But yeah, code looks beautiful, man. Honestly, I think if anyone wanted to get it, I certainly do recommend it. And to let me know if you bought it so we could play some games together, because I know no one who has it at the moment, and it would be quite beautiful to know someone who does. Thank you guys. As mentioned, I would be doing like giveaways. If you look up, there should be a code for the current giveaway. So like, comment, and subscribe, and click the link, or use the link in the bio, and then enter the code that you could see here. Then yeah, then you could win $100. Thank you guys. Bye. See you on the next video. Cheers.